So some assignment examples that I use. So here's one. So in pharmacology, it's really important that students know how to use their drug guide. And so at the beginning, they haven't given any medications yet. We haven't gone through those skills in clinical yet until we've presented it in the classroom. So I am going to do a new share with you. Okay, so this is in pharmacology module 1, and it's an introduction to medications and the purpose and how they're classified. And so I like to take the students through a drug tab. So I have them look up on Nursing Central a medication. And one of the most common ones they're ever going to give as a nurse is digoxin. So I take them through as it is presented in the drug guide. So I have them tell me the therapeutic classifications. I have them tell me when they search and find that classification, the definition for those two classifications. And we go all the way through the digoxin as it's presented. And then at the end, then I ask them some more questions about it. What are the pharmacokinetics of digoxin? So there's a lot of terms that they're not familiar with that by the end of this assignment, they've learned something about. So pharmacokinetics, how does that medication absorb and how's it distributed in the body? And so I ask questions regarding the absorption of it. And all of this is already in that drug tab. It's just them learning how to find it. And so I take them all the way through, and you are welcome to use this as an example for maybe medications that you want your patients or your students to know about their patients. Then I take the part 2 of it and we talk about safety and how can we deliver medications, and it doesn't have to be digoxin. How do we deliver that safely to our patients? And so I take them to the appendix of their Davis's drug guide, and I have them access this article called Medication Errors, and I have them look up specific information. And then because they are new students and new to pharmacology, understanding what medications you can crush and what you can't. And I have them also look up and do a search box on do not crush and have them download that table and give me some medications that are do not crush. So by the time they have done this assignment, they have gone all the way through pretty much what they would for any medication on their drug guide, plus they've looked at medication safety, and it's a great way to integrate this.